Is your Wati account cluttered with old numbers? Let's get that cleaned up and ensure your account stays secure and private by removing a WhatsApp number. Log into your Wati account. The first step is to access your Wati account through your web browser. Make sure you have your login credentials ready. Find and click on the settings or profile icon, usually located towards the bottom left of your screen, or sometimes at the top right. This will take you to the account settings. In the settings menu, look for the connected numbers or WhatsApp numbers section. This section lists all the WhatsApp numbers linked to your Wati account. Locate the specific WhatsApp number you want to remove from your Wati account. Next to the number, you should see a remove or disconnect button. Click on that button. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you are sure you want to remove the number. This is a crucial step to prevent accidental removal. Read the message carefully. If you're certain, click confirm or yes to proceed with the removal. Be aware that this action cannot be undone without relinking the number. After confirming, the page will refresh and the number should no longer be listed under connected numbers. This confirms that the WhatsApp number has been successfully removed from your Wati account. Keeping your Wati connections tidy is key. And there you have it. You've successfully removed a WhatsApp number from your Wati account. Now you're well on your way to managing your account well.